Video will solve this problem, this lead code problem. Basically, we are solving this SQL 50. Uh, we are covering the second question. So, ultimately, what it was doing is the table name is customer and it has three columns. One is ID, name, and reference, referee ID, and the data types are int, varchar, and int. And this is the table, this is the results. Okay, this is the data you have. You need to get this output, and what is the query they given is find the names of the customer that are not referred by the customer with id equal to 2. So ultimately what they're asking is apart from id equal to 2, so they want, I mean, referee id is not equal to 2. Apart from that, they want the data of the names. Okay, that is what they're expecting. So first, we need to use the select operator. Select what data we want. Name we want. Name column data we want. Select name. Okay. From where? From which table? From customer table. Customer table. Okay. Till this part we're done. So if you execute this, you will get all the names. But there is a condition they given. So apart from id equal to id not equal to 2. Okay. So where you have to put some condition, right? So where referee ID or ref underscore ID not equal to 2. Okay, let's run this. We'll get wrong because uh, we have to we have to check another condition. See, we got expected this, but ultimately what we got. Okay, here this is the one interesting thing. Okay, so here what we got only Jack. That means one. We didn't get the two Alex and Mark. At the same time, we didn't get the null values also. Like whatever reference ID equal to null, that we have to explicitly pass. So that means not equal to two or referee underscore ID equal to null. Okay, I think this is not the way to give the null. Okay, let's do one thing. Let me run this. So this is how we have to learn, guys. Otherwise, how we learn? So we have to. Okay, I think we don't need to give this double equal to what we got. So where is this? Null referee ID equal to null. So how to pass this? Okay, let's take use this function is null. Okay. Yes, that's it. Okay, so this is how we can do. So this is how we have to learn. So you can learn some trial and errors. Then you will get to know, okay, this is how we have to pass. So initially we thought like, okay, we are not just, we don't need to use the two, then it will work. But then we learn the concept, right? Okay, they'll give in null values also. Then if you want to get those results also, we have to give something like this particular condition. There we failed. Okay, how to pass the null? But using this kind of a trial and errors, we'll get to know, okay, if the reference ID we can do like this, instead of giving equal to, just we can use this keys and null value, then it will work. So that's how you have to learn, guys. Okay, so let me submit this. Okay, so it was accepted. You can see others solutions also if you want. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.